Assalamu alaikum everyone. Let's start with introduction about retro gaming. What a retro game is. Retro gaming is just your old school gaming. Retro gaming is based systems that are obsolete nowadays. This is the picture of my old school game. And this is the ROM cartridges. This is a retro gaming system, and this is a joypad or a controller. Let's see the ROM cartridges in more detail. Inside the ROM cartridges there is a ROM chip that contains your program. What is a Game Boy? Game Boy is an 8-bit handheld game console manufactured by Nintendo and first released in 1989. And more about Game Boy, I took a picture of Game Boy here. This black arrow is showing you the Game Boy console, and these are the Game Boy cartridges, the ROM cartridges. And it has an LCD of 116 to 144 dots. It has a 4 shades of gray color, and you can show 40 sprites of 8x8 bits. If game console are obsolete, then what should be used nowadays? So we can download Emulator from Play Stores. Emulator is a simulation of retro games by software engineers. So where it can be downloaded, as I told you, you can download it from Play Store or download from the link I have mentioned here. I will give you the link in the description. How to load a game into Emulator. Open your bgb.exe emulator file. Then click on the game emulator area, right click on that area, and then left click on the load ROM. Then select one of your downloaded ROM file. Here I am selecting the Super Mario Land, and the Super Mario Land is loaded here in the emulator. How to download the Game Boy ROMs? You can download Game Boy ROMs from the link I have shown here. How to create your own Game Boy ROM? First you need VisualStudio code and Game Boy development kit. What is the Game Boy development kit? The game is a C compiler, assembler of Z80 microprocessor. Why we need it? Because we need to compile our C file into the GB file, Game Boy file. And how we will compile our file? We will create a make.bat file in the Visual Code Studio and copy these 2 lines into its body to compile our file. So you can download Game Boy development kit from this link, extract the file and paste your Game Boy development kit folder in C drive. Now to write your code, open the Visual Studio Code. After opening, click on the file in the menu bar, then select Open Folder option. And now I here created a new folder, because in this new folder all our game coded files will be saved. Now I created new folder, and now I select that folder by pressing Select Folder button. After selecting the folder, we have to create a new file, and now click on the new file and write the name of your new file as main.c file, and then press enter button. Your main.c file is created, and you first mention including your header files into it. GBDK is the main file, remember. And now you will write your void main function body here. After writing your program, create another new file, make.bat, and then press enter. Your make.bat file body is created, and now copy paste those two lines here and then save your file by pressing Ctrl+S. Then go to view and then click on the terminal to run the command prompt. Now here is the command prompt, and here you will write /make.bat and then press enter. As you press, the two lines will appear to you. It means your program is compiled and your main.gb file is shown in the Explorer. It means your file is compiled into main.gb file. Now open your emulator, load main.gb into it, and here your emulator is showing you hello world program and running it. Guys, in the next lecture we will create a sprite, move a sprite, and use our joypad keys to control that sprite. Thank you everyone for watching my video.